Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the super mosquito unaliver from ekstro model T137 SMK. So this will help against mosquitoes because here in Bali is very hot and humid and there's lots of puddles of water, especially during the rain season. So you might need something against mosquitoes if you live in a tropical warm climate. And this is good because it doesn't use any chemicals, which is also not very healthy for humans. Instead, this will use electric ventilator which will suck in the mosquitoes and collect them in a bin. So this particular model is small portable one, and I believe it uses a 5-watt charger which is not included, but you can use your phone charger or any other charger available that you have lying around. And this one is a type C plug with 5 volt, and in the middle is the electric grid, and at the bottom are switches to turn the fan on and off, and there's also a handle on top, and it also has like a light which attracts the mosquitoes, and it weighs around 482 grams. The input is 1500 till 1700 volt. It includes a USB type C cable, a small brush, and a mosquito compartment. So as soon as you connect it to a USB-C power source, it will start automatically, and the UV light goes around 360 degrees. The fan will suck in the mosquitoes. There's a compartment to catch it, and there's the UV light, and it doesn't use any chemicals. And this apparently is made by Tisor Indonesia. It has 2 years warranty, which is quite rare here in Indonesia, having things with 2 years warranty. So let's unbox it. Here we have the user manual. Oh, it's quite it's all in Indonesian, but it's easy to understand. There's no English version. Maybe in the future, hopefully they will include the English leaflet. So let's unbox the device. Oh, they even include I don't know, is this something to keep the box dry, or is it some device which we need for the... Let's unpack. It's in a plastic wrapping. It looks quite nice. It seems like it's made out of plastic, but it looks like a more sturdy plastic, and there's a handle which looks like a fake leather handle, and it has a bit of weight to it, so it's not completely light. And this plastic grill here, it seems sturdy, and here's maybe the exhaust for the fan, so I believe the mosquitoes will be sucked in from the top here, and then the electric grid is like inside there. I don't know if the compartment for the mosquitoes is probably underneath it. So, oh yeah, here it says like to open it, you turn it to the left, and then you probably can take out the mosquitoes from the bottom. If you manage to take off the lid, yeah, it's like this. So the mosquitoes probably will be in this compartment. And then to lock it, you turn it to the completely to the right. Or this is already the maximum, I think. Yeah, I think it's locked. So it says the cable. They say there's a cable inside. Oh yeah, there's a cable inside. It's 1.5 meter USB to USB-C cable and a small brush. So you can connect it to any 5-watt wall adapter, or hopefully also to a power bank, because I have a power bank here for demonstration. And let's use the included USB-C cable. So let's plug this into the bottom over here. And then plug the USB to the power bank, and it switches on immediately and has a quiet whirring sound. And that's it. You just leave it in your room at night when it's dark, and the light will attract the mosquitoes, and then so they won't bite you. And here are two buttons, and one is for the fan. Oh, you can make the fan stronger. There are two levels of, and this is for the light. So, oh yeah, so you can leave it off while connected to the power source, and press the button here to switch on and off. And the left button is for the strength of the fan. There are two settings, high and low and off, so 3 settings. So I will leave it in medium, I would say, yeah. And hopefully it works so that I won't get bitten by mosquitoes at night. So that was the unpacking of the ekstro T137SMK Super Mosquito Unaliver, and it costs around $20 or $25. You can order it on the Shopee app, and let's see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.